Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Count on Jess ACT Math Prep Question of the Day. I'm Jess, a homeschool mom of 8 with a degree in physics and a passion for making math click for every learner. Here is today's question of the day. The perimeter of a rectangle is 32 centimeters. The longer sides of the rectangle are 2 centimeters longer than the shorter sides. What is the length in centimeters of one of the longer sides of the rectangle? And our options are 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10 centimeters. Well, we need to know what the perimeter of a rectangle is. So the perimeter of the rectangle is saying if we were to start in one corner and walk around the perimeter or the side of the rectangle, how far would we have walked? And to find the perimeter, we just simply add together all the sides. So length plus width plus width, or you can double the length, double the width, add them together, and you have the perimeter. So what do we know? Well, we know that the perimeter is equal to 32 centimeters and that the length of the rectangle, the longer side, was 2 centimeters longer than the width or the shorter side. So if we label the width x, then we could say that the length is x plus 2. So whatever number the width is, plus 2 more. So to find the perimeter then, we're going to take and double the length, so 2 times x plus 2, and add it to 2 times the width, 2x. When we distribute it out, we multiply it out, we get 2x plus 4 plus 2 more x equals 32. You can simplify that to get 4x plus 4 equals 32. So you can say that 4x is 28. You get that by subtracting 4 from both sides. And then when you divide both sides by 4, you find that x is equal to 7. So here you have to be careful because 7 is one of your answers. But remember, the question asked for the longer side of the rectangle. It wants the length. And x equals 7 is the width, not the length. So for the length, we need to add to that number. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Therefore, D is the correct choice. Now there's another way to arrive at the answer. You can start with choice C and assume that the length is 8, so therefore the width must be 2 less than that, so 6. And when you add together 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6, you come up with 28. Well, 28 is 4 less than 32, so we know that we need to increase the size of each side by 1. Therefore, we can assume that the length must be 9. And indeed, when you add together 9 plus 9 plus 7 plus 7, you do get 32. So D is the correct answer. Thanks for joining me today. Join me tomorrow for another practice problem. You can count on Jess.